Durable round frying pan. The 10-inch copper chef skillet with glass lid is made of aluminum and non-stick ceramic material. The quality core provides high durability so that the sauté pan can be used for extended periods of cook time. The non-stick surface is very slick, so food doesn't stick while cooking steaks, broiling fish, frying meat, bacon, eggs, omelets, baked chicken, desserts, or whipped cream. Healthy, safe, eco-friendly materials. The CeramiTech coating in this stir pan is healthier because it requires less oil or fat while cooking. An ideal choice for healthy cooking every day. It is PTFE, PFOA, PFOS and cadmium-free coated, which means it doesn't contain toxic chemicals, so they are safe for kids and for adults alike. The cookware won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. Features. You may find you do not need to cook with the same high temperatures that ordinary pots require. That is because the 10-inch fry sauté pan with lids has an innovative, stainless steel induction plate built directly into the saucepan. It distributes high heat quickly and evenly to the entire cooking surface to perfect your steak, egg, vegetables, omelette, pancake or anything you are craving for. Cleaning is hassle-free since the griddle pan is 100% dishwasher safe. Oven safe. The nonstick ceramic skillets is heat-resistant up to 850 F, allowing transition from stovetop to oven in one pan. Sear a pork chop on your stovetop, then bake to your desired degree of doneness, all from the same pan. Sturdy helper handle on 10-inch pan makes transporting your pot a cinch. Less cook time, less mess. The ergonomically shaped metal handles on the pan may become hot, so always exercise caution when using. Non-stick bottom. The 10 inches fry pan is coated and will not oxidize, or tarnish like traditional copper pans that need frequent polishing. The saucepan can be used on an open fire, electric induction and grill. There is no need to add extra butter, grease, or oil. For added flavor, season the cooking surface with natural oils such as olive, canola, or peanut oil. Tempered glass lid. The beautiful glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your cooking, without losing heat. The lid provides faster cooking results by keeping foods hot. With thermal shock-resistant technology, there is no fear of shattering, and the ultra-durable design increases performance level. Top reviews from the United States. Use only water to clean and you will be happy. I ordered this on Amazon Prime Day. Item was delivered promptly and I regularly cook eggs with runny yolks in this pan. I did not want to write my review too early until after I had used this pan on a regular basis. I did stick a post-it note on my range for the family to take note to never put this pan in the dishwasher and to only use plain water and a scrubby sponge or paper towel to wash this pan. The instructions say to not use lemon-based dishwasher detergent to clean it. I guess I have taken that a step further with only using water to clean it. Sometimes I have just heated up a little water and then turn the heat off and let it sit. This has been working and the non-stick surface is still very much intact. So far, by doing this, it has performed better than any other non-stick pan I have ever owned. I have not treated my past non-stick pans this way and they have ended up being recycled. Tonight I cooked chicken breast tenders with MCT oil and garlic and rosemary and they turned out very tasty, but I usually only cook eggs in it. I am babying this pan and I love it and it is still beautiful. Never use non-stick spray in a pan like this and the instructions for this warn against using olive oil, which I am taking to heart. Real butter is okay and a little goes a long way.